Although you may not see it, your septic system is quietly working underground every day. A little care goes a long way. With these simple tips, you can help keep your septic system healthy. 1. Respect your drain. Be mindful of what goes down the drain. Kitchen grease, food scraps, and harsh chemicals can clog or damage your plumbing and tank. Even if they're labeled flushable, wipes should go in the trash, not the toilet. 2. Use water wisely. Fix leaks and spread out high water usage, such as multiple loads of laundry, over several days to reduce stress on your system. 3. Schedule regular checkups. Have your septic system inspected annually and your tank pumped every 3 to 5 years by qualified professionals to prevent backups and costly repairs. 4. Protect your drain field. Keep vehicles, heavy equipment, trees, and woody shrubs out of the drain field area to prevent damage. A well-maintained septic system protects your home, family, and the waterways we all share. Water connects us all. Mount Pleasant Waterworks.